Hello everyone, welcome back. Today, we're taking a look at the latest Coles weekly catalogue for New South Wales. Valid from Wednesday, August 5th to Tuesday, August 11th, 2026. This week is packed with half-price specials across groceries, snacks, drinks and household essentials. Feel free to pause the video and zoom in anytime so you don't miss a bargain. Let's jump straight into it. If you're looking to stock up, this is where the catalogue gets really interesting. There are half-price deals on chocolates, chips, tea, soft drinks, personal care products, toothpaste, mouthwash, body wash and skincare. These are the kinds of products many people buy every week, so today's discounts could save you a good amount before your next shopping trip. And we're only getting started. As we move through the catalog, you'll continue finding half-price specials on groceries, snacks, drinks and household favorites. Keep watching because there are still plenty of pages ahead, and some of the strongest offers are yet to come. Pause the video and zoom in anytime to compare the prices and products. If you're planning a big clean around the house, don't skip these pages. There are half-price offers on dishwashing tablets, laundry detergents, fabric softeners, disinfectants, wipes and household cleaning essentials. These are everyday products that can make a real difference to your grocery budget, so pause the video and zoom in to compare the prices before you shop. Estas promotions no solo serven para ahorro. Tambien son una excelente oportunidad para abastecerse de productos que tarde temprano vas a necesitar. Deslimpiadores para cocina y detergentes hasta artículos para pisos y productos básicos del hogar. Aquí están reunidos varios de los descuentos más fuertes. Tomate tu tiempo, has pasa y el zoom, porque algunas ofertas pueden pasar desapercibidas. As we move through the catalog, you'll notice it's not only about individual specials, it's also packed with ideas to make your weekly shopping easier. There are ready-made dinners for busy nights, deli meats, smoked salmon, fresh Australian fruit, vegetables, bakery favorites and everyday essentials. Pause and zoom in to compare the prices, because some of the best value in this week's catalog is hidden across these pages. These pages are packed with breakfast favorites, coffee deals and everyday essentials, making them worth a closer look. You'll spot savings on Milo, Nutri-Grain, rolled oats, protein bars, honey, coffee capsules, instant coffee, fresh pasta, yogurt, dips, deli meats and cheeses. There are even brand new products mixed in with the weekly specials. Pause the video and zoom in to compare prices, because some of the best value offers are easy to miss. That wraps up this week's Coles Australia catalogue. If you found a deal worth grabbing, let me know in the comments which special caught your eye. Remember, you can pause and zoom in on any page to compare prices before you shop. If this walkthrough helped you discover the best bargains, give the video a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next Coles Australia Weekly Specials update.